Hey guys, I'm coming back with some more oily education, and today I'm going to focus on one of the new oils that has just been launched to the Australian warehouse this month. So that is June of 2019. It was launched in the US warehouse in, I think, November last year, 2018. So it was available to us in Australia, but I didn't actually purchase it then. I've waited until it's become available here, and I'm really excited about this one. I'm going to talk about pink pepper. So I'm a massive fan of black pepper in my kit. It's one that lots of people don't generally tend to have, but I love its spiciness and kind of its masculine scent, as well as using it for medicinal purposes. But pink pepper is actually nothing like it. So to smell, first of all, it has a spicy, fruity, it's so good. It's like the feminine version of black pepper. I find it quite citrusy as well. It comes in a little 5 ml bottle. One drop goes far with this one, so you don't need to use very much of it. That's wonderful. Um, at the moment, we are loving using it in our diffuser and a little bit internally, but I'll go into more details on that. So it is sourced from Kenya. There's a really beautiful sourcing story, which there is for most of doTERRA's oils, but this one at the moment is doing the rounds through social media. So if you haven't seen that video yet, look up the YouTube sourcing video for pink pepper, all about how it's sourced in Kenya and the lives that it's changing there is just absolutely beautiful. The greatest benefits from pink pepper will actually be seen when you use it internally. Now, you can diffuse it too and use it topically on your body. There are great benefits to that, but internally, this is an amazing oil, and there's a few reasons behind that. So pink pepper is really great for our digestive tract. So just to use it internally, I just add a couple drops into some warm water, like I'm going to have a tea, or you can just simply put it into your water in your water bottle and drink it that way, or pop a couple drops into a veggie capsule and you can take that a couple times a day. There's three components to pink pepper, and the one that the one that helps us with our digestive tract is limonene. So that's found in quite a few of the citrus oils, and it's really good for cleansing and moving things through our digestive tract. There are two other components to this. The main one that I want to talk about is alpha philandrine, because it is the part of the oil that is really good for cellular health, and that is the amazing thing about pink pepper, how it keeps the cells of our bodies healthy. What it is being talked about for most is that its ability to help us kill off bad cells in the body. So our body has a way of breaking down cells, but it doesn't always get rid of the cells very quickly. And whenever we have those cells still in our body, those ones that are bad or defective, because we all have bad cells in our body every single day, and our body is continuously removing them because it's a very smart thing. It happens. Cells mutate every single day. The important thing is that our body is able to get rid of them. If we don't get rid of them, then certain things happen, and we end up with bigger health issues. So pink pepper is really, really beneficial for assisting our body with cellular death. So killing off those bad cells and then ridding them out of the body. So taking it internally, that's the most exciting aspect of this oil. I think so anyway. If you want to use it topically, it's also really good for lymphatic drainage and supporting our cells of our breast tissue. So you can do this a couple ways, just by massage. So you can combine it with, it's actually a blend of oils called DDR Prime, which are another blend of oils that doTERRA does, specifically designed to support our cellular health. Here in Australia, we can only get it in capsule form, so you can pop the little capsules and then mix those in with some pink pepper and use that for massage, or you can order from the US the actual liquid form I think it's in a 15 ml bottle. It used to be 30, it's in a 15 ml bottle now, and it's just a blend of certain oils like frankincense, things that support us for cellular health. So pink pepper combined with DDR Prime. If you were looking at something specific like keeping our breast tissue healthy, it'd be really good for a massage around those areas, around your lymph glands, under your arms. It's lymphatic drainage as well. You can do a few drops. I'm a massive fan of dry body brushing, so a few drops on a dry body brush and just brushing that through. If you're not sure what that is, then you can look up a few of my other videos. I talk about dry body brushing. Internally, so it's great. Topically, it's wonderful. In the diffuser, it's quite an uplifting scent, and it combines really well with citrus oils. I'm really loving it with green mandarin, which is another one of the new oils that was launched this month, but it's also really great with just lemon or citrus bliss or any of those kind of zesty blends of oils. It's beautiful in the diffuser with those. I just check my notes. It's also quite a good neuroprotective oil. So again, when we're talking about that cellular health, we can't forget about our brain health. So it helps at decreasing inflammation throughout the body, which in turn can help us with any kind of brain inflammation and help us with our brain health as well. So that's another internal benefit. It's quite an amazing little oil for something that's coming in a pink little 5 ml bottle. If you guys haven't grabbed it yet, it has actually just gone out of stock for a couple of weeks in Australia because it has been so loved, but it will be available again in July, and make sure you grab some. I really am loving it. It's going to make, I'm really excited to actually try blending it with some perfumes because I really like those spicy kind of more masculine tones for my perfumes. So if you're like that and you're not so keen on the florals, then pink pepper could be something that's really cool for you to use as well. That's pink pepper. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys can all grab one for yourselves. There'll be more comments in the notes below.